Space, the final frontier. As an important resource for the Earth, managing it sustainably is critical to the future of space activities. What is space sustainability? Space sustainability basically means ensuring that all humanity can continue to use outer space for peaceful purposes and socio-economic benefits, now and in the long term. The satellites that occupy space are very beneficial in environmental monitoring, disaster management, and communication. However, for every good thing, there is a bad thing. Space debris, or space junk, refers to defunct satellites, old rocket bodies, and fragmented objects in space that no longer serve a useful purpose. Space is full of them. According to the ESA, there are 8,800 tons of space junk as of December 2020, most of which are objects smaller than 1 centimeter. These objects are small, but they can travel at speeds up to 23,000 kilometers per hour. That is 10 times the speed of a bullet. Even collisions with small pieces of debris can have dangerous consequences for those in space. That is perfectly shown in the movie Gravity. The increasing amount of space junk brings up another issue: the physical congestion in Earth's orbits. Physical crowding of orbits with satellites and debris can lead to a chain reaction known as the Kessler syndrome, where each collision generates debris that increases the probability of further collisions. Orbital crowding with satellites and space junk can cause both physical congestion and electromagnetic interference, hindering communication and security in space. Near the end of life cycle of a satellite, they will return to Earth and crash down to the graveyard zone. There are also laser-mounted satellites that guide defunct satellites down to the atmosphere via laser irradiation from long distances. Not only Earth, but since the 1960s, mankind has been leaving debris on the Moon, such as spacecrafts, rovers, and flags. Mars is also affected, with 20 missions from Russia and 25 missions from the USA. Space tourism has also started to become an issue. Jeff Bezos, Richard Branson, and Elon Musk have started a space race where they hope to vastly expand the number of people in space, making it more accessible to everyone. Scientists, however, worry that the rise and future of space tourism could harm the Earth's atmosphere and exacerbate the effects of climate change. As rockets blast into space, they emit black carbon into the stratosphere, where it remains, absorbing sunlight and radiating heat, making it a powerful climate warming agent. Our planet is orbiting the Sun, which releases millions of tons of materials every second, creating the ever-changing conditions in space called space weather. During high periods of solar activity, solar storms can disrupt satellites, vital communications such as GPS, and affect power grids, causing blackouts. The excess of small satellites into low Earth orbit also disrupts optical and near-infrared astronomical activities. The space world is going through a period of significant change. The good news is that all that will hopefully provide new benefits, better ways to use space to improve our lives. The challenge is, how do we make sure all these new ways don't harm the environment and our ability to use space long term? That is basically what sustainability is all about.